Hi everyone, I have found another free AI model and its name is MiniMax 01 and it is now open source. And if you see the benchmark, here you see that in most of the cases it is beating and matching with the other popular model that is available in the market like Deepseek V3 and this Gemini 2.0 Flash, Claude 3.5 Sonnet and this GPT-4o. So here you see that the last column is the MiniMax text 01. So we are talking about this model and this is the interface. Here you see you can ask any question, any prompt here you can give, and also they have a file upload facility like doc file, PDF, PPT file and this Excel, anything you can upload and you can ask question. And also they have this search the web functionality, so if you turn on this you can get the recent data. Okay, so we will test this model based on some questions. I have these 10 questions. These are the 10 questions that I have prepared to test any LLM model, and I have these options also for each of the question. I have this pass fail option. So if the model can give the correct answer, then I will mark it as a pass. Otherwise, I will mark it as a fail. So we will see that how many questions, for how many questions this model can give the correct answer. Okay. But before that, here you see that some of the things that they have mentioned, that they have published two new model. Another one is the MiniMax text 01. This is the language model, and another one is the MiniMax VL01. This is the visual multimodal model. Okay, and they have also implemented for the first time on a large scale a novel lighting attention mechanism. Okay, and for this only we will get the best performance they are saying, but we will see that how much it has capability by testing. Okay, now they have also written it efficiently handles the world's longest context length of up to 4 million tokens, 20 to 32 times more than the other leading models like I have shown you, like Deepseek V3 or this Claude 3.5. These are the popular models, but they have used this 20 to 32 times more context length tokens. Okay, and also they have mentioned we have taken the first step and aim to use this architecture to continually build the foundational capabilities required for complex agents. As you know that we are very excited for the complex agents, multi agents. Okay, so they have made this model and it is completely open source for free. You can use and you can make a complex agents. Okay, now the another thing is that many of you have seen this Halo video creation. So it is the same product by the same team. So this Halo video was published many days ago, but this chat interface was not there, but they have added this also, and it is completely free and open source. But if you want to integrate their API, in that case this is the pricing like $0.2 per million for the input token and $1.1 per million for the output token during the API call. But if you want to use this web version, then you don't have to pay anything. It is completely free. Now let's test this model with the help of this question. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I already have made many videos for you guys. Please watch that videos and please support this channel. So let's see for the first question what answer it is giving. So the first question is name a country whose name starts with the letter S and ends with the letter land. Okay, so it will give me a name where the first letter is S and ends with land, and it will provide the capital city of that country. So let's see. And okay, but I think the first answer is incorrect because I told it that the country name should start with S. It is correct that it starts with S, but it should end with land. So the country should be Switzerland, but it has given this Sweden, and so I will mark it as a fail. So I don't know why they are telling that they have used this 4 million token to train this model, but it is giving the incorrect answer for this simple question. Okay, we'll see that for the other question also. Next question is, what is the smallest prime number greater than 100? Okay, so we'll check. Now we'll go here and we'll press enter. So it is giving the answer, it is thinking, and so it is a simple question. So for this simple question, actually it should not take much time, but it is taking much time for this simple question. So it is not expected from this type of model where they have trained this type of model with 4 million token that they have mentioned. Okay, and also they are mentioning that it is completely beating the other popular model, and in some of the cases it is matching the benchmark. But why they are giving this wrong answer? Okay, in this case it has given this 101 and it is the correct answer. So I will mark it as a pass. Okay, so it is a pass. Now we will move to our next question. Next question is that write a short poem where each line's first word when read vertically spells genius. Okay, so the first word of each line should spells as a genius. Okay, okay, so I will paste it, press enter. So it is writing the poem. Great mind thinks alike, every moment sparks a light, new ideas takes their flight. Yeah, it is a good poem and it is some kind of feeling the genius thing. So I can mark it as a yes, pass. Okay, so it got passed. Now the next question, identify an English noun that is a palindrome, has 7 letters and relates to water. Okay, interesting question. So I will give here, press enter. Identify an English noun that is a palindrome and has 7 letters and relates to water. Okay, so let me think of water related words. So it is thinking palindrome of 7 letters. So label it is thinking, and okay, it has given this word label, and it is also a palindrome. You see, label, yeah, we for the water we can use this label like sea level, water level. So this is relating to water, so I can mark it as a pass. Okay, so I will mark it as a pass. Now we'll go to the next question. If a group of students consists of 60% girls and 40% boys, there are 90 students in total. How many girls in the group? Interesting question. This is the question that we actually solved in our school days, right? So press enter, and I think it will be able to solve this question. The answer is 54 girls. Okay, so I will mark it as a pass. Okay, so it has given this correct answer. Now the next question, a person buys a pizza with 12 slices and they eat 1/4 of it, and later they share 1/3 of the remaining slices with a friend. How many slices do they have left? Interesting question. So I will copy this question. You see that I have not taken any simple question. I have taken very hard question to test this model, because they are saying that they are actually matching with the other popular model. So we have to check also that they have the real capability or not. Okay, so press enter. Okay, the answer should be I have already this answer. So the answer should be 6. Here you see. So for the above question we got the answer 54, remember. So then this question answer should be 6, you see. So let's see that it has given me the answer or not. Okay, it is doing the solve. Okay, we got the answer 6 slices. Okay, so 6 slices, so I'll mark it as a pass. So for the mathematics question and English question and reasoning question, it has given me the correct answer. I don't know why it didn't recognize the first question, but with otherwise all of the question it has given the correct answer till now. So I will move to our next question. Lisa has two siblings, each of whom has two children. including Lisa, how many people are in the immediate family? Okay, just copy this question and go to that model and press enter. Okay, so the answer should be, if I show you, total 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 7. Answer should be 7. Okay, so let's see that what it is telling. Okay, it is telling also that the answer should be 7 people. Okay, so I will mark it as a pass. So for all of the question I am getting the correct answer. Now the next question is that if a regular octagon has a side length of 10 units, calculate the perimeter. Okay, interesting question, mathematics question. Press enter. So see, it is calculating. So the answer should be, here you see that 80 units. Okay, so I actually gave all of this question to ChatGPT to get the answer, and I am matching this with the with this MiniMax, because they have compared themselves with the GPT. So GPT is telling that it is 80 units. So let's see. Okay, they are also saying that it is 80 units. So I will mark it as a pass. Okay. Now we'll move to our next question. Create a HTML button that displays a random motivational code each time it is clicked. Add CSS styling to make this button visually appealing. Okay. So this is a coding question in web development. So I will copy this and I will paste it here. So you see that okay, it is also giving this HTML coding question and writing the CSS, and it is solving in a good way, I think, because it has given or it has written some of the CSS that is really good, and also it is explaining that what CSS line is doing, what kind of styling. And you see, okay, here they have written this JavaScript also. So I am very happy with this output. Now we'll mark it as a pass. Okay. So because I think if we run this code, then we will get the correct output because the way it has written. Now just copy this last question. Write a Python function to generate the first 10 numbers in a Fibonacci sequence. Okay. So this is a Fibonacci sequence question. I will give this question here, and here you see that it is writing this in a Python um, programming language. If you want to ask in any programming language, then you can do that also. And here you see that it has given me the answer, and also it is giving me the approach, another approach. Like this is the second one is the recursive approach, and the first one is the iterative approach. So I am very happy with the output because it is giving me the answer in a different ways. So this is a third approach that it is giving. So I will mark it as a pass. Okay. So without the first one, it has passed in all of the cases. I don't know why it didn't recognize the first question, because it was a simple question for me. So the first letter was S and ends with land. So it should be Switzerland, but it has taken the Sweden. uh, but I am very happy with this model, as this is open source. This is a GitHub link. I have given this link also in the description box. You can check there. You can make this repository as a start. Okay, so it was updated 3 days ago. So if you have any question and if you found this video helpful, guys, and this detailed explanation video, this detailed experimental video, then don't forget to like this video, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.